How to hide the taskbar on Windows 11. In this video, I will show to you a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So, without waste of time, let me start. First, right-click on the taskbar. Then select Taskbar Settings. On the page, tap on Taskbar Behaviors. Now move down here. To hide the taskbar, all you have to do is check Automatically Hide the Taskbar box. Done. Now here you will see the taskbar. Automatically hide. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and even leave a comment if you found it's useful to you. So, let's meet at the next video.